Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So you know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss. So we're back on our series of covering Molynes Road, the roads that branches off Molynes Road. So the other day we did Bedford Avenue and Lorraine Avenue that I just passed on the right. Today we're gonna cover Sundown. So Sundown is one of those few roads that has two entrances. So one right here on the right, Sundown Crescent, and another one up the road. So it's essentially shaped like a U, because you enter one end, you can go straight down and come back around. So it shapes like a U. And it, as I said, it has two roads connecting to create Sundown Crescent, which is unique. And you know, sometimes persons, you know, last, you tell them Sundown Crescent, they go on the wrong one, can't find you. So this is the second one on the right. So past the other one previously. This is the second Sundown Crescent entrance and exit. So that's what we're doing today. We are touring Sundown Crescent. So it's a community drive, and this is the series of covering all the roads that branches off Molynes Road. So remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share. Really appreciate you guys. And as usual, if you ever lived in this community, let me know in the comments. Or if you know somebody that lives here, used to live here, still living here, if you are still living here, if you grew up here, leave your comments. So that first right turn is Lonsdale Avenue on the right. So it branches around to the other Sundown. Residential community, middle class community, 4 and 5 bedrooms, anywhere from 36 mil up. Then we have Newberry Avenue on the right, we just passed. Very older house in the community as well. I'm sure some persons are wishing they can put them up for sale, because these are, you know, these are well sought after areas. A few apartments in the area as well. Road very bad. These roads haven't been looked at in over 10 years. Again, not the busiest roads, so they are very neglected. So it's mainly persons who live in this community may drive on these roads. So it's not really a, like what it's called, through road. Then we have Kempton Avenue coming up on the right, which connects back around to the other Sundown. So again, it's essentially shaped like a U, with roads connecting both sides. And again, leave your comments. Let me know what you think about this area, this community. Leave your thoughts. Ascot Avenue coming up on the right. Again guys, leave your comment, let me know what you think about this community. Sundown Crescent off Molynes Road. Gonna bring me around the other side. so we're still on Sundown. So we're on the other leg going back to Molynes Road. This turn on the left can lead you to Bay Farm Road and water outside. Straight ahead leads us on to Molynes Road. Guys, some of these lots are super big, very huge, and that's why they can put apartments on some of them. With Jamaica, our houses and our fences and walls will be very, very colorful, very bright colored. In a special place in Harborview, even Portmore, very bright colored. And you go certain parts of America, USA, you hardly see that. Just one color, one dead color. A mechanic is somewhere here. Sometime when you have communities and that has a mechanic, sometime with all the old vehicle and repairs and everything, sometimes it really takes away from the community. The apartment right over there, you can glimpse that one. Guys, so we're almost towards the end of this video. Remember to like and comment, share your thoughts as well in terms of this community. Definitely see you guys again on another video.